Hadian arkanta bagi dekat ke KSU ha ke jingalam usamla Ruben A Najaru chairman ke Employment and Monitoring Cell kila penlong ke jinga ki hakmat ke office ke Meghalaya Public Service Commission MPSC lawan mi magister banyak keren penbet bat ki dekat ke seng. Haga jinga kran magister uba Sylvester Panbo ula persyang ban pensange ke jingwan ki ke KSU bakin ya ha ke lenti ke bayaham. Halor kini usamla Ruben ulaong bas sakat no kin ya habagi ladap le ya kata hagi sngi bat tayo baladam. Kumta kalami ke jingan ya ketien ke bajur hapdang jongki bat ke jubab bamsyai no magister kala penlong i dekat ban penkre sa ke jinga ki syong kalan mengor hakmat ke office MPSC. Kumban syukdo ba ke jing tur ke KSU syakmat kani ke office ha kani ke step jong ke sitarik unai lar arja arpusau kalong hadian balakut ke jingbu por basau pupra kenta ya ke MPSC ban pensyai halor ke jingmi ki kenrum kenram habaya day ba ke exmen tungkam na ke benta ke Meghalaya Civil Services ke Meghalaya Police Services but statistical officer jong ke tenat veterinary. Hadian kani galadan pat ke jingkot yakran dau chairman ke commission uba PR marwen yakinoy lam ke KSU bat ke jekran kadang ya cakman.
Kadang-kadang ini berfokus one year itu yang kita ada hadir dan putih awas dengan ultimatum ini dan prinsip one year karena one ini assignment.
I understand, but do you have the authority to give an ultimatum officially? I'm just saying officially.
We have
Yes.
While we are the citizen of the FPSC, FPSC is under everything under control of the public. We are dealing with the public. If they are doing something illegal, we are
I don't know. When you use the word ultimatum, no, it's not a subjective word. It's an objective thing, right? So there must have been some basis for the ultimatum also. So on what basis?
Like in the presentation about Swagataru, our TV, German, itu di genuine kena apa? Ini lepas apa? They haven't spoken. Kapuna ka default.
I consider myself a genuine middle class and
You might be an exception.
No, let's not make statements like that. No,
You might be an exception, but there are many also.
That's what. No, so let's not make statements because it becomes insulting to everyone. No, we are all part of the same ecosystem. So let's collaborate. What I'm saying here, can we at least have a way if you're holding? Why did you have to put it up on the gate also? See. Like if we go by violations, technical violations, there was any violence and all. There are already violations of the trespassing, putting up unnecessary things. These will add
According to you, what
distractions.
according to you, what should
Communicate.
we have communicated? We have sent a petition. They have not responded.
And I think to you also, with all due respect, I think your message also come
But
out.
what do we do? What do we do when we suggest you? Kita dapat ini whatever. According to you, ini kalau kamu bakal. According to you,
Give it some time. I'm just saying personally.
Bila ada iPod.
48 hours is not something.
Yeah.
No.
Suara kat tidak awas tidak kalau
They have given the clarification for certain matters.
which is illegal but unconstitutional.
I cannot comment on that
Because
I
ini
don't
lah,
have the
study, right? Everything it is kamlong genuine that elect against their own protocols, against their own set of rules that they have made, they went against it to make some extra arbitrary powers there, but in make it appointments. We don't want kita sekarang we want them to come. Every time we want to we can ada mencari pagi the result part ultimately kalau kaju. Tinggi henceforth kita akan dibuat clarify kecing dawa juga kecing dawa nak balik akan ke examination lingba juga ni so tujuki ban ini sawa shika koi shika si bakal di wala kita ni kecing pencari qualification di anak si kamu satisfactory kimla ban
Kablong satisfactory appeal.
Ni itu bakal kecing nak kalian kecing
No, kanungan fair dan hindi. Yawan. Nang ni kanungan betul ke exam ini. Cepat tu. Kibadan ka objection. Di wan wan masih. Kidan ki candidate hang ni badan ni. Kidan ke kino kita. Kino ngam. To kidan ki candidate MPS ru bagi minta keladan na media amro. To kidan ki candidate MPS hang ni. Kiwan proses lang masih. Datang statement mesti mudah.
We don't need candidates, but
You don't need candidates, well, I apply the MCS exam, but I'm not hungry.
what's your point?
No, I just want to know,
What is your point?
who are you representing?
We are representing the student community as a
Student?
community as a Kilongkok kamu.
Okay,
What is your point? What are you trying to
What is your exact?
Kamu nak jemput
Okay,
dia cuma
Maniwan in peace aduk benda. No, masuk. I know you Manu, but one object. Are you representing or are you yourself writing the exam?
Me represent
Masuk apa?
the name of student community.
That's all I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make sure first, are you a third party representative or are you the aggrieved party that you feel like you have written your exam and something is not being, satisfied. So I just want to confirm that. So, like Mufi Amufi, it is possible that some of the candidates are here protesting. That's what you said. Okay. But you see, but such a thing, I think you are well aware that it's a constitutional body as well, LPSC, right? And they have made a statement. So I think if you are not happy with it, then why don't you go through say a petition?
This is a proposal.
You mean everyone coming and standing out here, you expect to have a meeting like this?
This is a protest because the delegation is being in a Hindu.
Don't you maybe try to get an appointment?
And Latif kalau sini nak file petition, nak file. Nak file representation kan sini. Nak Hindu chairman nak Hindu. All that has been done. One Hindi ki bagi. Which one is?
I need it's quite peaceful. I have come here.
Gua ban kadi gua details. P1 ni kalau aku accused begini.
I'm just all over the I'm not MPSC. So I don't know who's
dengar apa tahu ngai. Pada ini bingi wan. Tidak upet ini dunia kompleks kemarba. Kamu transparansi apa kata. That is the first important. The upet in bagi press, in the social media, community bro. Lai kita what is happening in India. Ka joko MCS kamu put political family activity, MPS kamu put they went against the ratio kay bakian. People punya bilang untuk kamu. Apakah ratio apa orang advertisement ada naik bulan 1:2.5. Minta kita change 1:1.5. How is that possible? You cannot change the game in the middle. Kata ke tim batai itu. Tapi ini lah dapat. Kita ban justify kita jalan decision. We strongly feel that kadang nepotism and there is some high hand ani MPSC kalau pun kapopet ban fulfill yakni once kita bakal kalau lebih pilih na bawa candidates kita apply kita nak balong baladi victim sebelum kita cases.
Kon ba iet ngi ju shat jing ba man la kas ngi hatu ngi la ju perkhat ba kabam kabang ngi bam ka tain em ya kamet jungi
mai ki juba mi kini ki ju ki jing ba man la kas ngi bale kene ka jing kali minta
ka to ka dukan ration ba pen ya uba raju uya thu yanga
Nrai man kapor nyim ju yo ai kajing bam ki batai kamet ki balong ka daw jong kajing pang anemia pat kajing brie jong ki kma
ba kumnu ngan lai na kini ki jing stam
kong nangkong pide ban pen melin ban bam ya kajing bam ki ba pha hakrukom bam jong pi bunsen ki long kmi bat ki khulong khana ki yo ya kini kajing pang namar kim yo ya kajing bam bantei ya kamet ka sarkar kelas dang ya ka food fortification ha ukhau ata melu kadut bat ka umpnyang bam baro kindon ke jingbam ka bantei kum ka iron folic acid vitamin B12 iodine zinc vitamin A bat vitamin D yakini baro pila banyo na ki jingbam badi ha ki dukan ration
kata kamut ngi dan yu khau 45 pabyang bha bat ngi
mai uni khau tu bai biang ba pitharai baro kin bang ban ba mi uni
kon ka fortification jong khau kandum khata ya ka jing mat ba ka jing long jing man jong khau
mai karukam ban bu ya ki ba karukam shet pat kala ban pher
om dei kon om dan jing pher la da dei ha ka rukom bu ni rukom shet kum ba fi ju shet yu khau ba fi thien kum ju ru la shet ya uni u khau
okum ta
te kon ka jing bam ba ai ka kwat ka khya bat ka ba ai bor ka met ka phat bat ka bor per khat jungi hatu dang dan ki jing bam ba kham bha ban ya uni
hoit mai fikran ya ka ba dei sisha
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya